Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this really light, really rough, and he was speaking. He's a little bit younger than me, but in grade school, a teacher showed him how to do this with a compass. But every time he tries it in Corel, he gets overlapping lines, and this is really easy, and it's mathematically in a way. I would draw an ellipse and hit P and make it something divisible in half, like 10 inches. Then set your nudge factor on 5 inches and hit the plus key or the control D and make that right there. Then control D, and that's the only thing I don't like about control D. Control D, alternate C to have it rotate from the center and just rotate it 60 degrees. And then it doesn't look like it's going to work, but then you just keep going control D, control D. And there you have that flower pattern. Now to get rid of, there's two ways to get rid of these extra lines. The easiest, instead of deleting all these lines, let's set our nudge factor on like 20 inches. And let's just take, and if you, well, even if you wanted the circle, let's just fill that in and nudge it over, fill that in, nudge it over, no, over, over. And then you can nudge your original circle over. And then take this and left click, right click, and there you have that flower pattern with no overlapping lines because everything's perfectly in the middle. A little bit of math, but really easy. Hope that helped that gentleman, and thank you for watching.